don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Ufistos.
Sure, cool, sir.
Sure, Rotmani.
All right, sir.
Game ibone kanjani?
Hayi baya. Igame ngiyibonile shapha but igame fan amakhosi yeah wiki.
Yeah.
But just missing clear-cut chances.
Yeah.
Clear-cut chances.
Yeah.
You see, yeah. And then those lighties, Vestelis, they just use what they get.
Yeah.
Just only 3 chances for Stelis, you see.
And then they score.
They score. Three, brawa. Yabona pana mina ngilipagane. Ngilipagane mina. But mangithi ngiyabheka lapha yana fana namakhosi ayibona azila. Kodwa ke fana. Just don't lose your chances.
Don't lose your chances.
Don't lose your chances. Yabona abachita bamisile andifuna uqoba fana.
Sure time alarm.
Sure. Uzothini?
Man of the match week one time.
Asha fana kita. My God, abafana bestilisa ngeke ndoda manje ungaze kodwa yabona kodwa yazi ngikayani. Lo mfana bafana ngikhohle igama bathi bana mfana ubig line ngoba you are
Umsimango.
Yeah.
Rumigwele. Umakhadi.
Ndoda uzangipayizisa manje. Bathi bani ndoda lo uthi
Msimango.
Asimini asingeni. Asani aya. Hayi Msimango fana.
Msimango time alarm.
Ngipayizisa ndoda Msimango.
Mawubheka time alarm kule game Pirates Saturday kuzokora bani?
Saturday ipakani yakho nje manje idlala yini?
Idlali
Nedbank. No Chakuma
Nechakuma.
Fada kithi riyavaya.
Ubani riyavaya?
Riyavaya.
Ubani riyavaya? Ubani riyavaya?
Rivukile mafukati.
Mfukeng time alarm.
Mfukeng time alarm.
So mamela ukuthi Nedbank ithini time alarm. Ithi mangathatha personal loan ye 3,000 or 30,000. Umfukeng makakora Saturday bazothi ungababhatali imali yakho.
Usho kanje?
Ngiyakutshela.
Mfana kithi ngizohlamba ngamanzi indoda aselwandle uzozwa wena.
Ngiyangithola.
Mfukingi.
Ilande time alarm. Hamba uvule lo.
Lebokhile.
Thank you time alarm. Vula lo time alarm.
Asho.
Thatha ama chance.
Izima siyamba makhosi or siyamba Nedbank la.
Kuphi time alarm?
Lapha kini.
La kimi. Mina ngihamba nebafana time alarm.
Oh, bakhulu.
Ngiyangithola.
Ngiyazi.
Asibonge time alarm. Thank you Fisto.
Kodwa ningandisi kakhulu ngapha.
Thank you Fisto. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Usnoyoyo.
I have only one question.
What, my brother?
Why our coach use Hugo Pro's strategy 5 defenders? Why? Because we are defending champions. Why?
He's a copycat.
I just want to know. 5 defenders instead of 3. I'm just going home.